everyone. First of all, congratulations to everyone who has sailed through in IPU CET 2025. So in this video, we'll go through the process of counseling, the nitty-gritties of counseling for this particular university, and try to understand how we can, leverage the process. So first of all, the dates that have been given, the tentative dates that have been given by IPU is 4th to 7th of June for the counseling process. Now, all the details you will see coming up on this particular website, ipu.admissions.nic.in. We'll keep you posted in terms of when the process gets started. So for various program, whether it is BCom honors, whether it is BA honors economics, BBA or B Pharma, all the counseling process will happen on this particular website. Now, first of all, to understand what the process entails, we need to understand what is a preference list. So a preference list is a list that you will create according to the choices that you have in terms of college. So the first in the list should be your top priority, followed by second, third and so on. That is called the process of choice filling. Okay, that is called the process of choice filling. Now, once you fill in your choice in the system, then the counseling process will take that into consideration, and based on your CML, which is the common merit list rank that has been allocated to you, a seat will be allocated to you. So this may not be your first preference, this may not be your first preference, may not be your second, maybe your third preference. Basis the rank that you have, also a lot of other considerations are taken into account, like the categories that you have in terms of whether it is OBC, SC, ST or general, or even categorization of being from a Delhi school or a non-Delhi school. Okay. Now, once choice filling is done, then seat allocation, seat allotment is done by the university. So for example, if you get, let's say, second priority allocated to you from the list that you have chosen here, you get second priority allocated to you. Now what you will do, so you will get two options now. One, to freeze your seat, or to go forward with the next process of counseling. So you will always need to select go forward with the next round of counseling unless and until you are allocated your first preference. Please keep that into consideration. If you choose freeze your seat, then you will not be able to move ahead in the counseling process. Okay. Now, once you choose that, you will get an option to make payment of the fee. You can do that once you move forward, and you will get an option to make payment of the fee. You can do that via whatever links that the university is giving you. Now, one more important question that students keep asking me is, what if I get selected into a better university, a better college, and want to withdraw my candidature from IPU? Then will my fee not be refunded? No, that is not the case. For all the universities that fall under AICTE's governance, it is mandatory to return the fee if you cancel your admission one day before the start or the commencement of your program. Okay, a small amount of 1,000 rupees will be deducted, rest of the amount will be refunded to you. Okay, so that is how the withdrawal of admission after payment works out in play. So spot round happens at the end of the entire counseling process. The seats that get vacated from this process are then introduced in spot round. Okay, then these seats are further allocated to students who are appearing for spot round. So we'll keep you posted with respect to what is the process for this entire counseling process as and when it starts. So keep following the channel, keep yourself updated, and all the best for CUET.